So welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss problems on Laplace transforms. So here first problem we are going to discuss is cos h square 2t. To solve this problem you are going to use cos h 2x formula. Cos h 2x can be written as 2 cos h square x minus 1. In trigonometry we already seen cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. For hyperbolic also same. Hyperbolic means here h comes. So it can be written in exponential form also. Either we can solve this problem by using that exponential form also. So anyway, I am choosing this method. Here cos h 2x can be written as 2 cos h square x minus 1. So if you transfer minus 1 from this side to this side, it will become plus 1. So 2 cos h square x can be written as 1 plus cos h 2x. If you transfer 2 from this side to this side, it divides. So that means cos h square x is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos h 2x. In place of x, here having 2t, that's all. Wherever x is there, we need to substitute 2t, that's all. So in place of x, I substitute here 2t. So here in place of x, I substitute 2t. Here I am writing here this one as well. 2 into 2t, 4t. So 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos h 4t. Applying Laplace transform. Here 1 by 2 writing outside, it's a constant, no, that's why I am writing outside of Laplace transform. Here if you apply Laplace for 1, we will get 1 by p. See, by using this L of k is equal to k by p, no, in place of k here having 1, that's all. So here cos hat, here I am writing formula for cos at. So for cos hat I will write here, see, cos hat p by p square minus a square. So for Laplace transform of cos hat is equal to p by p square minus a square. So in place of a, you are having 4. That means p by p square minus 4 square. Here doing cross multiplication. So 4 square means 16. No, I am writing there. So p square minus 16. So p into p square. So p square plus p square, 2p square minus 16. So 2 is taking outside. See here. So next we will get p square minus 8 by p square minus 16 into p. 2 will vanish out. Remaining we will get p square minus 8 by p into p square minus 16. This is the required solution for this given problem. Next problem we will discuss. Here cos cube 2t. So to solve this problem you are going to use cos 3a formula. Cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So I am transferring minus 3 cos a from this side to this side, it will become plus 3 cos a. So that means 4 cos cube a is equal to this same, we will get cos 3a plus 3 cos a. We will transfer minus 3 cos a from this side to this side, no, it will become plus. So in this side 4 was multiplying, if you transfer from this side to this side, it divides. So cos cube a is equal to 1 by 4 into cos 3a plus 3 cos a will get here. In place of a here having 2t, that's all. So wherever a is there, we are going to substitute 2t. So in place of a I am substituting 2t. Okay, 2t. So in place of a I am substituting 2t. So 3 into 2t 60. So 2t will get. Same here a no, in place of a we are going to substitute 2t. See why? Because here cos cube 2t no, see here cos cube a, in place of a here having 2t. So wherever it was this term is there, we can write in that place this whole term. So now I am applying Laplace. So 1 by 4 writing outside of Laplace. Here I am going to apply Laplace for cos 60. So 3 here writing outside of Laplace and cos 2t. So it is in the form of cos 80. L of cos 80 is equal to p by p square plus a square. In place of a here having 6. P by p square plus 6 square plus here 3 constant I am writing same as it is. Cos 80 here in place of a here having 2. So L of cos 80 formula is p by p square plus a square. So p by p square plus in place of a here having 2 square same. 1 by 4 into p by p square plus 36. 6 square is 36. So 3 into p, 3p by p square plus 2 square value is 4 I write. Okay. So next these are small simplifications only. So by cross multiplying all these things, you will get the final answer this one. These are just cross multiplication only. See here now this problem we are going to discuss next problem, this one. It look like in the form of a plus b whole square. So I am splitting a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we know very well a square plus b square value is 1. So I write 1. So it look like here plus look like 2 sin a cos a. So sin 2a formula. See this one. So for this one I am applying Laplace. So if we apply Laplace for 1, we will get 1 by p. Already we said. L of 1 is equal to 1 by p. Same you can say here also k. L of k is equal to k by p. In place of k here having 1, that's all. Next, sin at is equal to a by p square plus a square. In place of a here having 2. So that means sin at means a by p square plus a square. No, in place of a here having 2. 2 by p square plus 2 square. So 1 by p plus 2 by p square plus 2 square means 4. That's all. This is the required solution. Hope you understood this problem solution. If you have any doubts, you can comment below. You can say your opinion by liking and unliking the video. If you want to see further videos in my channel, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in next video.